Ivan! Couldn't look better. The sun is shining fantastically on you all. And Sushri, welcome. ये तो बस एक छोटा टीजर ऑफ द टीजर है. We'll do all interactions all upstairs. Today just smiling downstairs. Okay, are we done?
Thank you.
All right, perfect. Now we'll go up to the third floor and we'll continue from there. Welcome, guys. Come around, see.
Sushri, big round of applause for them. And of course, Jagatpati Babu also on his way. There he is in this lovely red. Big round of applause. And that is my entire star cast. Karan sir, to sabse pehle, the director of the ship. Of course, formal introductions will ensue. But very, very excited once again to be back on stage. It's been a while. And I have, well, the entire star cast to thank for this, to getting me back up here. So, yeah, we are ready to unveil, brother, the abs and everything, the looks. But I want to see what's behind. Can I have a mic, please?
First of all, thank you so much. Thank you everyone for being here. First of all, thank you for all the media people for coming here and supporting Ruslan. And everybody, thank you for the whistles. It really means a lot. Love you too.
But brother, this is, it's always fun to watch yourself out there. और फिर थोड़ी देर बाद ना थोड़ी सी critical हो जाते हैं या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो जाती है. आजकल लोग Instagram देख के 4 filter डाल देते हैं, बड़ा खुश हो जाते हैं. Wow, I love the way I'm looking. I want to ask you first honest reaction. How are you looking and how did you think you were performing right now, first instance when you saw the trailer?
First of all, thank you to my director for making me look as good as I am looking. But I think I can do better.
अरे यार, congratulations,
Thank you.
it's perfect. Audience का क्या बाद में वो box office होता है, that's different. That तो anyway for the last 5 years, I think nobody knows what's actually working. But this really works very well. Now we got another gentleman here. I think, you know, when we talk about swag, there's a lot of us in the North Indian Bollywood industry that somehow have swag, but have borrowed swag also. You come in with your red pants, and you're standing out there, and it's there. It's fantastic. Jagatpati Babu, you know, you're a hero, you're a villain, you're a superstar, and I love the fact that you come back once in a while to Mumbai. So big round of applause for sir. Can we have you on stage? The seal of approval comes, and an outsider can say that, sir, you're always great over there. Now, here he can be critical about himself once in a while. You have so many years of experience, what works, what doesn't work, what works with yourself. He was, you know, noticing his nostrils in a bit here and there. Now, at your stage, when you've seen success also so much, when you're standing and watching a film out there, are you also criticizing on yourself or looking at yourself in a very critical angle, or just enjoying the view that the film has provided to you?
First of all, I'm super impressed with the trailer and Ayush.
Nice.
Thank
He's
you.
looking amazing. And myself, well, I'm in Bollywood, so I'm comfortable. I don't look at any criticism at all.
But this is another thing also, sir. This I'm in Bollywood happens very, you know, Kisi Ka Bhai, of course, was there, but it seems that semi-home has happened here. We need a permanent home for you here. Now that it's become, you know, completely national. Cinema has become fantastic. We were discussing earlier also how I think our audiences have really warmed up to all actors from all languages. You know, it works very well. When you go back home sometimes and you discuss and you watch, what's the feedback generally there? Jagat sir, should you come here? Should you set up here? Is it possible to have 2 legs in all the boats or not?
Honestly, I want to work with all the languages in India.
Yeah.
Because I want experience. So more experience, more lessons, and the education will be over. Yeah, okay. As far as this film is concerned, I'd like to say one thing. Normally, my producer knows me very well. If not in the open, I always tell my producer and director also that this film is a bad film, it's a flop or a hit. And this is going to be a super hit.
Heroine of our film. Army kid raised and transferred, as every army kid always understands. They have to keep going from place to place. Model, actor, Miss India, amateur horse rider, And now, film heroine Sushri, can we have you on stage? Big round of applause.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
That's for you, sir. Well, I like all the line to you over here. We were discussing about the butterflies. Now you've seen it. This was the first time you saw yourself on screen. You've got, well, questionable eyes that are there judging. But you yourself, how did you like it?
Firstly, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sushri Mishra, and thank you so much यहाँ आने के लिए and हमारे इस trailer launch का हिस्सा होने के लिए. I am so nervous. You have no idea. I feel like a Tweety bird right now, whose heart is like beating out of her body. And this is also new for me. ऊपर आते वक्त मैंने अपने आप को lift पे देखा, you know, and then watching the trailer like that, I'm just taking it all in, and it's just overwhelming and so surreal, and I literally feel like I'm living my dream. So thank you for coming.
How sweet. It is going to be that. Enjoy every moment of it when you start also, because I think it's going to be quite beautiful. You know, we have another lady that I'm going to call on stage right now that I think, how should I put it this way? You've always been famous. Because every time, yes, which is true, when we were young, you were also young, we were watching you on screen, you were such a fabulous model at that time. Of course, you were part of one of the most iconic films of our life, you know, Chuck, they will forever be iconic. But you're way more than just, you know, your on-screen presence. Vidya, I think you need no introduction, you know, and that's why I say, if you stay in a place long enough, you probably need no introduction, but with you, I think nationally you need no introduction. Vidya Malawade, can we have a big round of applause for her?
Thank you for being so kind. And thank you everyone for being here. This labor of love. We've been at it for a while with of course Ruslan and Ayush to begin with, and Sir here. Thank you for actually having me. You, Karan, you've been like I don't know, it's just a beautiful support system. This lovely lady with butterflies in her stomach, but she's so lovely. And Jagapati Babu. So you guys have, I've absolutely loved the trailer, but thank you all for just being here with us, for us. And what a lovely introduction.
Because the amount of stress that a director goes through from the day that he pitches to an actor, the day he narrates, the day he puts it all together, the day he finds out, oh my God, the light is gone. What do we do today? We have to shoot this again tomorrow. And tomorrow, can we get that shot? Are we going over budget? Are we not? So, Karan L. Bhutani, can we have you on stage, sir, the director of the film?
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you, these beautiful people. You've just seen them on screen. And
You look completely unruffled, sir. You know, sometimes I see directors, please. And after a while, when you're out there, you've been around in the industry a lot. You've seen a lot of highs and lows of it. But you know, when you see a film that comes out and that you put in a lot into it, some films you put a little extra. Some films, action is very tough to actually now please people with, because they expect everything. You know, you've got CGI in there, then they might not believe it. I love the fact that it's all close up, so you can actually see him punching everyone, and there's a lot of hard work that's gone in. But this labor of love and labor of fight has taken a lot out of you also. But you don't look like it. So now when you see it all out there, does it look like it was a breeze or relief or what?
you know, honestly, this is the first time I have done an action film. I've never worked on an action film in my life. So when this actually came to me, I wasn't sure if I would be able to do this. More than that, it's easier for me to, like Ayush said, say, "Mujhe chahiye." I want this. I'm not sure if it's that easy for him to go out there and give you that single shot. So as much as I would say, you know, it's tough, I would say it's tougher for these people standing right here, because they are the one who's standing in front of that camera and giving you that take, giving in that 100%, while I'm sitting on that monitor and cheering or screaming when you get that perfect shot.
And wearing jackets and parka and gloves.
Yeah.
But I'm very happy. For years we've done it to the ladies. It's about time the boys should be bare-bodied in snow.
Yeah,
अच्छा है.
I was 3 layers for sure, while this man was standing bare-chested there saying, "Bring it on." So.
Also, when you see a film like this, when you from day one, when you say like, I'm not sure if I can do action, there's has to be a certain level of insecurity at that point of time. What day did you suddenly say, you know what, this is not as bad or as tough as I thought it would be?
The day I shot the first sequence.
Really?
I think the day we finished shooting the first action sequence was the day we both had this magic moment. You have this magic moment with your actors. You know, I think I've had that with all of them at some point. And with Ayush, I think the first action sequence when we shot was the day we both had this magic moment where we said, "We can do this, man. We can make this happen." So yeah.
Nice.
Thanks to all of you to join here for the trailer. And I'm giving the big thanks to the producer, Mr. Radhamohanji. They screening the picture for me. But I saw the picture before that I saw the teaser. And after teaser, I saw the picture. I can say today, after seeing the picture, I took the picture for everything. It's a mind-blowing movie. I can say it's a 2-minute trailer you saw. When you will see the 2 hours films, you will enjoy that much. Multiply, it should be multiply. And really, Ayush has done superb job. And Jagapati Babu, outstanding. And our heroines also, you know, she has done extraordinary. I given all the thanks to the director also. He done the I saw the movie after this Antim.
Yes.
After Antim great success, you can understand I'm the distributor. We are NH Studio. After saw the movie, we bought this movie. Now you can understand.
You know, honestly, Akshay, I was extremely nervous in the beginning because, like you said, I came from a slightly different school of filmmaking, having worked on films with Tigmanshu sir. But बड़े तो हम यही देख के हुए हैं ना. बड़े होते समय तो मसाला फिल्म ही देखी थी और उसी का मजा लिया था. तो it was, I would say, it was bringing in the craft and bringing in my love for masala entertainers that I've grown up on and putting it together. ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं था, मज़ा आया.
सर मेरे को बचपन से ना एक्शन फिल्म बहुत पसंद थी. बट मुझे मेरा जो लवयात्री में एक सपना था जो मुझे जब मैं नॉर्थ इंडिया में रहता था तो मुझे सपना था कि मुझे यार जैसे पुरानी फिल्मों में लंदन में जाके गाना शूट करके वैसे मज़ा आता था. पुराना जब फिल्म्स को देखते थे आई यूज्ड टू सी शार्क बाय सलमान बाय जो उस टाइम पे द बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स यूज्ड टू गो अब्रॉड इन स्विट्जरलैंड एंड दे यूज्ड टू डांस. तो मुझे ना वो सब करने में बहुत अंदर की दिली ख्वाहिश थी. वो दिली ख्वाहिश एक्शन के लिए भी थी. तो पहली मैंने वो ख्वाहिश पूरी की जिसमें मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया लवयात्री में. बट कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने कोई करियर चूज़ किया ऐसा कि मुझे एक्शन करना है. अंतिम हैपेंड. जब अंतिम मुझे मिली और मुझे रियलाइज़ किया कि मुझे एक्शन करना चाहिए तब मैं उसमें चले गया. गैंगस्टर द ग्रे कैरेक्टर एंड एवरीथिंग. फिर रुस्लान मेरे पास आई एंड व्हेन यूनुस सजावल हु इज़ द राइटर ऑफ दिस फिल्म एंड एल्डर ब्रदर टू मी, ही नरेटेड दिस आइडिया टू मी. तो मुझे इसमें लगा कि ये सिर्फ एक एक्शन फिल्म नहीं है. देयर इज अ एक्शन चाहे हमारा फोरफ्रंट है बट इट्स एन इमोशनल एक्शन फिल्म. देयर इज अ इमोशनल स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मारधाड़ पिक्चर में हो रही है. हर एक चीज़ का रीज़न है. प्लस मुझे इसमें वो करने को मिला जो मैंने अभी तक 2 फिल्म में नहीं किया. वो है सारा एंटरटेनमेंट दिया. इसमें एक्शन है, कॉमेडी है, रोमांस है, इमोशन है. एवरी इमोशन जो हमारी फिल्मों में जैसे हम कहते हैं एक थाली, जैसे एक थाली होती है वैसे एक थाली स्क्रिप्ट है जिसके अंदर सब कुछ मिलता है इन द राइट डोसेज. वो मैं उसके लिए मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड था. बट आई लव एक्शन बट आई एम श्योर कि बहुत जल्दी मैं गन भी छोड़ दूंगा.
Honestly, I'm ecstatic. And जब मेरी कास्टिंग हुई थी ना स्टार्टिंग में, मुझे विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ था बहुत टाइम के लिए दैट मेरी कास्टिंग हो चुकी है. लाइक इट वाज अनबिलीवेबल बिकॉज इट इज़ सो मच ऑफ अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड बिकॉज यू नॉट जस्ट एक्टिंग और डांसिंग. And I was treated like an equal on set. I got the opportunity to do action as much as Ayush was doing on in our film. So बहुत मज़ा आया. And honestly, I'm so grateful for them that they have shown faith in a new girl to cast for such a powerful role. And the entire journey has been so empowering for me. So I'm really looking forward कि आप movie देखें और बताएं आपको कैसा लगा.
ये मेरी पहली एक्शन फिल्म है ऑब्वियसली. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मारा मारी करने का मौका तो नहीं मिला है, बट आई प्ले द बॉस वुमन, आई प्ले द बॉस. बट आई थिंक वही एक जर्नी है एक्टर की, और वही सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात है कि एक जगह आप एक डिम्यूर सी स्वीट सी लड़की प्ले करो, और फिर दूसरी जगह व्हाट आई लव अबाउट वो जो कहते हैं ना येड़ा बन के पेड़ा खाते हैं, यहाँ पे आई एम अ लिटिल, इट इज़ प्रीटी मच लाइक दैट. मुझे थोड़ा टेढ़ा बन के पेड़ा खाना पड़ रहा है इसमें, बिकॉज आई एम अ लिटिल बिट टेढ़ी, बट आई एम हिज बॉस एंड I'm good and maybe not so good as well. So it's been wonderful, and I think it's very humbling and also interesting and exciting for an actor to be doing so many things. And thanks to the kind of films that are getting made, the kind of series that are getting made, that actors finally can actually show off a little bit of their talent. So thank you.
Wait. No, no, it's the next 20 minutes is all this only. 1 minute. Will you tell me? You'll have to say na what you want sequencing. No, wait. Now don't be timid.
Sorry. Cast first?
Now you tell them what you want. How you want it.
Cast first.
Just the cast. Okay, now next.
Okay, now, Jagpati sir.
Jagpati sir. Solo? You have to go now. Wait, now, one sec. After, we'll do one with the director as well and all. Jagpati sir, the director and the four of you all. Yes. Karan also.